Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you hide your post from nearby. So let's get start our video. So first of all, you need to launch on your Likee application and go to profile and then tap there. You can see this is my profile, and if you want to hide your Likee post from nearby, so what should you do? First of all, go to like this page and then tap on this top right corner three line menu bar option. Just tap it, and then you can see option settings on the down bottom. Just tap it, and then after then you can see option privacy. So just tap on privacy, and now you can see option there. You can see uh, hide my post in nearby. There you can see, just enable it. Just you need to enable it. That's it. Now your post is hide from nearby. So guys, in this way you can hide your post from nearby. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.